Okay, I figured I'd make a video on this because I didn't see anything instantly when I searched for fixes on how to fix a buzzing microwave. Anyways, I found this on Reddit, so this is not my expertise. This is a Reddit post I found, and it worked. Basically, I can't show you because it's already fixed, but you plug your microwave in, it's making just a buzzing noise. It's not, even if you press the off button and you press cancel or whatever, it's still making the noise. If you open the door, it stops, but otherwise it's making a noise like it's running, even though no lights are turning on or anything like that. So what's happening is this right here. I'm blanking on the name of it, but that box right there is stuck. So what you want to do is take a screwdriver, hit it a couple times, and then that actually worked, believe it or not, for me. So now my microwave works and I don't have to buy a new one for $300. Anyways, you'll probably need, if your microwave was like mine, you'll probably need security screws because they have these little pins in them to keep you from getting in them. You can purchase a bit set like this for $15, $12 or so. They've got little holes in the star bit heads. It was a T25 or T15 security bit, so if you don't have that, you'll have to do that. It might not be worth it for you. But if you don't mind risking $15 to buy that bit set or something, and yeah, you might be able to fix your microwave for free. Anyways, that's all.